Hello, young mathematicians! Welcome back to our fun and exciting math lesson. Today, we're going to learn something super cool, the times table of 2. All right, let's get started. We'll learn the times table of 2 from 2 times 1 to 2 times 10. Are you ready? Let's do this. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Wow, you've mastered the times table of 2. Great job, my little math wizards. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your times tables. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more math adventures. Until next time, happy multiplying!